Dev tip time. I have a small web app. Let me show you how it works. You can see the black screen with a text message. When you click, the message goes away. The rain pattern, which consists of slashes and V symbols, starts, and you also can see visual and hear some sound effects. If I click again, everything freezes and text message appears. I wasn't expect any problems with the app because technically it's pretty simple, until one of my friends told me that nothing happens on his iPhone when he uses Safari. I started the issue investigation and found something that some of you probably already know, but I didn't because, in my opinion, it's not so obvious thing. Let's first reproduce the issue. I run the application locally using HTTP server, and also I have the iPhone emulator here. This address is opened, and now I'm tapping the screen. Nothing's happening, so the issue is reproduced. Now let's move to the code. This is a vanilla application, no frameworks. As you can see, I have all the elements here. I have a bunch of connected scripts, and I have a click event on a body element that basically starts all the rain process. So you can search more details about the issue on the internet, but the core of the problem is that the body element, by the way, it can be div or a bunch of other elements, but the problem is semantically body is not a clickable element. So for example, button, it's a clickable element because you expect that someone will click the button, but body, this is not always the case. So the solution that I found on Stack Overflow, of course, is just to add the cursor pointer property to this element. Let's do it. So this is my body, and I add cursor pointer to it. I save the changes. Now let's go to the iPhone again. I will close the tab and open it again. Let me type the address. Okay. Now I tap and everything works. So that's it for now. I hope it was helpful. Have a great time.